Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Today we're back to work on the Craftsman T100. I'm going to show you how to put a belt on the deck. So, let's get started. The new belt came in today. I don't know. I don't even know if the one that was on there was even the right one. It seems awfully long. But I guess I'll find out when I go to put the thing on this weekend. So, what we got to do first here, goes around here, and it goes around here. Okay. So, the next thing we have to do, we got all this crazy hardware that goes with it. Let's get these screws off. Let's see here. So these are kind of like a brace. They go on first. Just line them up, the holes. And then you got the belt guard. 2 holes, 1 hole. Only goes on one way. So we're just going to line it up, get the screws started. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Good look. Get you a little closer here. I'm just going to put that around there just for the time being. It's not the way it goes. Two hose there, and the one over here. Everything lined up. Screws in. Always start your screws by hand because it's easy to strip these. I haven't done it yet, but I don't plan on starting. Now, most lawnmowers have a diagram. And I'm going to show you where the diagram is. This is the diagram on how the belt goes on. Even though they don't show it, but there's like a little kink, that's where the engagement pulley is. So guys, that's how you put a belt on the deck, the riding mower deck. Now, it's a lot easier to take it off to do this rather than try to do it any other way. Now, there is one other thing I have to do, and where is it? Oh, this little gadget. Yeah, this is the pain in the butt part. have to put this thing on. It's kind of a stupid setup because you got to use a ratchet on top and a wrench on the bottom just to hold this. But you'll see when you get into, because every mower is different. The T110 has dual pulleys. Doesn't even have this stupid bracket. It just has a little piece of metal, and that's all you do. Just remember, if the pulley is flat, the back side of the belt goes on it. Just remember that, guys. But anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you here next time on Lynn's Homestead. You have an awesome day.